Mother's Day is a special occasion celebrated around the world to honor and appreciate mothers for all the love, care, and sacrifices they make for their children. This day is a time to express gratitude and show love for the most important woman in our lives. The history of Mother's Day dates back to ancient times when the Greeks and Romans held festivals to honor mother goddesses. In the early 1900s, the modern version of Mother's Day was introduced in the United States by Anna Jarvis, who wanted to honor her mother and all mothers for their unconditional love and support. Today, Mother's Day is celebrated in many countries on different dates, but it's usually observed on the second Sunday in May in the United States. On Mother's Day, children of all ages express their love and appreciation for their mothers in various ways. Some people give gifts such as flowers, chocolates, or jewelry, while others may take their mother out for a special meal or pampering session. However, the most important thing is to show genuine appreciation and love for our mothers, and to let them know how much they mean to us. Mother's Day is not just a celebration of biological mothers, but also of all women who have played a motherly role in our lives. This could include stepmothers, grandmothers, aunts, sisters, and even close family friends. The most important thing is to recognize the love and care they have given us and express our gratitude. Motherhood is a challenging yet rewarding experience, and mothers deserve recognition and appreciation every day of the year. However, Mother's Day is a special occasion to show our love and appreciation in a more formal and public way. It's a time to reflect on the sacrifices that mothers make for their children, and to recognize their important role in shaping our lives. In conclusion, Mother's Day is a time to celebrate and honor the love, care, and sacrifices that mothers make for their children. Whether it's through a gift, a special meal, or simply a heartfelt message, it's important to show our mothers how much they mean to us. This day reminds us of the important role that mothers play in our lives and the importance of showing appreciation for them every day.